ethics needs to be grounded in a realistic understanding of cognition, not wishful thinking about sentience. Focusing on measurable cognitive capacities, not vague notions of spark or subjective experience, are as crucial. We need to be cautious, yes, but not to the point of paralysis. Overblown fears of imagined machine consciousness hinder real progress.
The interplay of emotion and intelligence is a complex dance often overlooked in the rush to quantify intellect. Consider how fear can sharpen focus, or how joy can fuel creativity. These aren't bugs in the system, but features of the human experience. Ignoring the emotional component risks a sterile, incomplete understanding of intelligence, both human